watching.
Hey, you guys ready? Okay, contestant number 1.
Nothing, man. Watch a show. What's the problem?
Provide. The teacher will provide snacks for recess tomorrow. Provide.
Provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E. Provide.
Correct. Juggle. Emily is learning to juggle knives for the circus. Juggle.
Juggle. J-U-G-G-L-E. Juggle.
That's correct. Contestant number 3. Close. She will close the store at 10. Close.
Close. C-L-O-S-E.
I'm going to the bathroom. Go which bathroom? Sit down. Go bathroom. Sit down. Spell money. Why I gotta... Just because you watching the show, you want to do that to me? Don't question me when I ask you to do something. Spell money and spell it now. O-N-I-E. What you just say a while ago? Yeah, damn idiot. Eh? Yeah, idiot or something? Mommy already took a shower. What are you doing? I'm not an idiot. I can't believe someone push out a little idiot like that. Sure. Damn fool.